Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can unlock your phone by using your fingerprint. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to security and biometrics and password. And here you see fingerprint, then you click on it. It gives you a little overview. So fingerprint manager, there's no fingerprint added. Long press the fingerprint to enter the camera, so you can turn that on if you want that feature. Take photo, camera interface, long press fingerprint to take pictures. Like, you can enable all these, but we go to fingerprint manager now. Enter our PIN to verify that it's us. Set up your fingerprint. Use your fingerprint to unlock your phone or verify that it's you, like when you sign in to apps or approve a purchase. More information about it. I agree. And then we need to touch the sensor on the right side. So your power button. You want to move your finger around slightly and then press and lift your finger again. Fingerprint added, and now you can use your fingerprint to unlock your phone or verify that it's you, like when you sign into apps or make a purchase. Then you click on done, and you have here the option to name your finger. Let's say 1, and you can add a finger here. You can add all your 10 fingers, whatever you like. You have the option to delete your finger here. Just click on that little trash can symbol, and then it will ask you to remove that fingerprint. Yeah, so if we go back now and lock our phone and then try to unlock it with our fingerprint, you see that worked. That's how you set up your fingerprint to unlock your phone. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.